You use Google every day. You search for answers, you search for solutions, you search for fun, and you search to prove your friend wrong. But did you know that you can use it to make big money online? Yes, there's a website that pays you to just search Google. You can use it on your phone, your laptop, or your computer, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. So you can do it from your bed, from the beach, you can do it while waiting in line, you can do it on your ride home, you can do it literally anywhere you want to as long as you have access to the internet. And if you watch this video until the end, I will explain step by step how to do this so you can start making money right now. But before we start, welcome where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. As always, I will explain each and every step and I want you to follow along with me, so right after this video ends, you will be ready to go out there and earn some real money. So pay close attention and follow the steps, and keep in mind that this is going to be a really easy tutorial since we will be using only 2 websites. The first one is just going to be google.com, and I'm going to show you the second one in a minute, but first of all, I just want to address something. A lot of you guys are asking why I'm sharing these methods with you, like why don't I just keep them for myself and make money? I'm doing this to help you because I know there's a lot of people out there struggling to make money online, and I already have my own business model that makes a lot more money. And when I say a lot more, I literally mean like $700,000 in 13 months or something like that. So the first step for you is just to open up Google and leave it like that. Now the main website that we will be using combined with Google to make money online is going to be mindsumo.com. But you must keep watching, because if you just go over straight to mindsumo.com and you try to figure it out on your own, you will not know what to do. But I'm going to show you this simple Google trick that will actually allow you to get paid a lot of money with mindsumo. I'm going to show you how to combine those two in order to make money just by searching Google, and I'm also going to explain how this works, and if you follow each and every step, you will be ready to make money. As you can see, mindsumo.com has been working with some of the biggest companies in the world, so you know it's worth it. They've been working with Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and much more. These are some of the biggest companies in the entire world, and take a look at how much is there to be made. Like, one simple search can be this big. There's a lot of money to be made here. You will just need to sign up to mindsumo.com, and you might be asking, how do you do that? Well, you click here where it says login/sign up. Since you don't have any account yet, just click on this one right here so you can sign up for absolutely free. Just enter your first name, your last, your country, your email address, then you will create a unique password, and then you will select your birthday. Next is to select your gender, and then you will need to rate yourself in the following skill areas, and so you will need to select from creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. Now, this is really optional, but I recommend you select something like average proficiency or above average proficiency, regardless of what your skills actually are, but this is going to give you higher chances of making more money, so I would select average proficiency. You don't have to click these 3 boxes because that's going to sign you up to their email list, and that's obviously not what you want. You don't want any spam emails or whatsoever, so you will just need to click these 2 boxes to accept their terms and conditions, along with their privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on these 2 links. After that, just click on I'm not a robot and just click sign up, and now you have an account in mindsumo.com. Once you log into your account, you can scroll down a little bit. You're going to be able to see all these different challenges, questions, and projects, which you can answer and get paid for doing that. So you can see they're paying all the way from a couple hundreds of dollars all the way up to thousands of dollars, and here on the left hand side you're going to be able to see different categories which you can select, so there is definitely going to be no shortage of money to be made on this website since there are new questions, new projects, and new challenges coming in every single day. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. Now let me just show you some projects. If I open up, for example, this one over here, you're going to be able to see how much money people have been making with this challenge alone. You can see that this is their total budget, and here are the results of this project. Sometimes it's going to be a lot more than that, so stick with me so I can show you that simple Google trick and how exactly you will be paid to search on Google. Anyways, I want you to come back here and select some of these categories. For example, let's go with computer science. Then just select any of these projects you like and you will enter that project. As you can see, they're going to ask you a question right here. This is the main question that we need to answer, and we have a chance to win this amount of money. So what's that Google trick? Well, here's what you will need to do. You will need to copy this question right here, then go over to Google and paste the question right here so we can find an answer here on Google. So you can go through all of these articles and, for example, open up this one and try to find if there is an answer to our questions, and you can see that this is exactly what we're looking for. They're giving us examples on this one, and this is a really professional answer. They will most likely win one of the top shares on here, and you saw how easy that was. All I did was copy the question, then I just went over to Google, I searched for that question, and now I have an answer over here. The next thing I need to do is to edit the answer a little bit. So to do that, I go back to Google and I search for Google Docs, and I will click on blank right here, then go back to the article. Then you can copy and paste some of the answers, paste them right here, go back to copy another one. So the longer the answer, the better for you, and the higher the chances of you making money if your answer is more profound or if your answer is longer. And now you can of course edit this. You can change the font, you can change the colors, you can maybe change some words. For example, instead of this, I can just select it and I can change it to blue, and I can maybe change that part to bold or something like that. As you can see, it's fully customizable and it's really easy. So just search for the answer on Google, edit it in Google Docs, and once you're done, just click File, go to Download, and download it as a PDF document. Once you open up that document, it's going to look something like this, and as you can see, this is really professional. Once you have it on your computer, you will just come back here and you will submit the answer, and you will most likely be in a share on the money from this question. Now, bear in mind, you will not win the full money. You will need to share that with other participants, but as you saw, it was really easy, and it took me less than 5 minutes to find the answer on Google. Now I have a chance to win hundreds of dollars for absolutely free. So all you need to do is just search on Google for the answer, find the answer, and once you found that, I just need to click on this I have an idea, and then log into my account, enter my email address, my password, and submit the answer. So that's how easy it is just by searching on Google. There's a huge chance of making a lot of money online. Of course, it's not guaranteed that you will always win the challenge and get the share of the prize, but it takes you just a couple of minutes to search in Google. It's really easy, and as I said, you can do it from anywhere you like, so why not do it in your spare time and make some extra income? And that is it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I will see you in the next video.